Model the information as algebraic expressions. The perimeter of a square is P. What is its area in terms of P? So, first of all, let's say that the side of the square is S. Now, we know that the perimeter of a square is 4 into its side, which we said is S. This is equal to P. So the side of a square S is, dividing both sides by 4, we get S is equal to P by 4. Now we know that the area of a square is the square of S. Now we have already said from the first statement that S is equal to P by 4. So the area can be represented as the square of P by 4, which is P square by 16. So the area of the square in terms of P is P square by 16. And moving on to the next question. The length of the side of a regular hexagon is L. Express its perimeter in terms of L. So the length of the side is L. Now, a regular hexagon is a hexagon where all the sides are of the same length. Now, a hexagon has 6 sides. Hash can be used to represent number of. Now, the perimeter is the sum of the length of the sides. So that is 6 into L, which is 6L. So the perimeter of a regular hexagon in terms of L is 6L. Now moving on to the next question. The sum of the length of the edges of a cube is L. What is its volume? So first off, let the length of the edge of the cube be E units. It's given that the sum of the length of the edges is L units. So now a cube has 12 edges. So L, which is given here in statement 1, is equal to 12 into the length of each edge, which is E. So E dividing both sides by 12, we get E is equal to L by 12. Now, let me clear this up. The volume of a cube can be represented as E cube, which from statement 2 is L by 12, the whole cube. Let me clear this up. This can be written as L cube by 12 into 12 is 144. Multiplying that by 12, we get 1728. So the volume of the cube when the sum of the length of its edges is L cube by 1728 units cube.